Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check if somebody screenshot your Instagram story or whether you get notification in that or not. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram, and if I check my story which I have posted, I can see that whoever view my story, I can see here. But if I want to see that somebody screenshot my story, Instagram will be not send me any notification or any messages to me that somebody screenshot my story or not. So where this feature is not available in Instagram, it is available in Snapchat. Okay, it is not available in Instagram, so you will never come to know that who took your screenshot of your story. And maybe this feature can come in the future, but right now there is no feature something like that. Okay, you can only know that somebody view your story or not, which will be shown here. Okay, and nothing else. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon to see the latest notifications. See you in the next video. Till that time.